Between me and you, be sincere. Who taught you that art you did?
It was Benga.
Who is Benga?
He is my friend.
Okay, how does it describe to you? What does he ask you to do? Tell us.
That day, he just told me that if I can open the cover of the tank, my mom will know that something is happening upstairs. So she will come there, then I'll push her.
Iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ni wọ́n ti gba ẹ̀sùn kan nípa ọmọdékùnrin eléyìí tẹ̀ ń wò lójú amóhùnmáwòrán yín yìí, èyí tí wọ́n sọ wípé wọ́n ní ó ti alágbàtọ́ rẹ̀ jábọ́ láti òkè ìyẹn orí dẹ́kìnì. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ ìwádìí ṣe lọ pẹ̀lú ọmọdékùnrin yìí, níbẹ̀ ni a gbọ́ wípé ó ní nínú ìtàn lòun ti gbọ́ wípé ìyá náà ó gba òun tọ́ ni, eléyìí tó sì máa ń fa wàhálà láàrin òun àti ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan, bíi kóun jáde nílé kóun má súnlé, eléyìí tó jẹ́ pé ìyá náà á máa lé òun síta gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe sọ. Ọlọ́run ọba kó jọ̀ọ́ kó má jẹ́ a ṣinú bí tọmọtọmọ, níbi tá a bá rógbódé tá a ta gbògbòdé kó dákun dábọ̀, oríṣiríṣi ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láyé. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ní sùúrù gẹ́gẹ́ bí òbí tàbí alágbàtọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ní sùúrù gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwa fúnra wa bá ṣe wà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ní sùúrù lábẹ́ bó ti wù kó rí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí sùúrù kó tó wa dáadáa. Ọlọ́run nínú àánú ẹ̀ kó dákun kó ṣàánú fún wa ni. Obìnrin yìí ló jẹ́ wípé nínú ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ láti gbọ́ wípé ó jẹ́ ẹni tí ò ní ọmọ, tó sì wá lọ gba ọmọ náà tó. Ọmọ tó gbà tọ́ yìí náà ló padà ṣe ikú pa á. Ọlọ́run bá jọ̀ọ́ kó ṣàánú gbogbo wa ni o, kó má jẹ́ kí nǹkan tí ó wù wá kó ṣekú pa wá. Eléyìí tí ó ṣekú pa wá k'Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ó wù wá. Lágbára lórí ẹ fìdílé kan tàbí kẹ́ fi nǹkan lè dé ẹ subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí. Ẹ hàn notification button ẹ like ẹ comment ẹ share. Àjọṣepọ̀ wa la fi lè ṣe àṣeyọrí. Ó yá jẹ́ agbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀.
Ǹjẹ́ èyí náà ti gbọ́ nípa ọ̀nà míì tí a lè gbà rí iná mọ̀nàmọ́ná tí kò kì í sí lo epo, ìyẹn ni sólà àti inverter. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí wọ́n mọyì sólà àti inverter kì í fi ṣeré. Bákan náà, wọ́n mọ̀ pé ó máa ń mú kí owó tí èèyàn ná dínkù lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Ẹ wá gbọ́ o, Thompson Technology Production ti ṣetán láti bá yín ṣe àtòpọ̀ sólà tàbí inverter. Ó wà ní oríṣiríṣi èyí tẹ́ ẹ bá fẹ́. Bí ẹ bá fẹ́ ní ńlá, ó ń bẹ. Bí ẹ sì fẹ́ èyí tó jẹ́ kékeré láti gbé yàrá kan, yàrá méjì, yàrá mẹ́ta, odidi ilé, wọ́n lè tó papọ̀ fún yín ní owó tí ò sì gani lára. Ẹ ṣe kàn sí Thompson Technology Productions. Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ wọn rèé 0810-502-0353 0810-502-0353.
What's your name?
My name is Chris Okogbe,
Your age?
14 years,
You are from which state?
Edo State.
And where are you staying in Ogun?
I'm staying at Iju Shaga at Ajiwa.
Ijushaga.
Yes.
Are you staying with somebody or you are staying with your parents?
I'm staying with my parents.
You are staying with your parents.
Yes.
Which school are you going?
Evergreen Academy.
Your class?
Just
Your age, Inko?
14 years.
14 years. You are 14 years.
Yes.
Where is your mother and your daddy?
I don't know who is really my dad.
Eh?
I don't know where my dad is, and I don't know who is my dad and my mom.
Okay, maybe you said you are staying with your mom and your dad.
Um, I took the person I'm staying with as my mom because
Mm.
she adopted me
Okay.
Where did she adopted you?
from St. Monica's Orphanage Home.
Okay, like how many years ago did she adopted you?
I was 1 year that time.
Okay, how did you not get to know the history?
She was the one who told me because I went to Delta State to go to school in boarding school. So when I came back, I used to go to my friend's place to go and play. So when I went to his place, he told me that my mom was causing trouble in the community and she's not my biological mother.
Who told you?
Benga
Who's Benga?
is my mommy's, the mother is my mommy's student.
Okay, that your friend was one that was telling you your mother was causing trouble in the community and
And
she's not your real mother, right?
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So I went to go and meet my mom and I told her this is what Benga said. She now said, okay, let's go to his house to go and confirm. When she got there, she asked Benga. Benga said, yes, he said it. My mom now asked him, who is the biological mother? He said he doesn't know. He now asked, who is the biological father? He said he doesn't know. She now asked him, how did you know that I adopted him? He then said he saw my mom carrying me from St. Monica's orphanage home down to her house.
When?
1 years, when I was 1 year,
Then that
2011.
okay, that
2011.
Gbenga is
Yes.
how old is that Gbenga?
He has finished SS3.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
So
okay. Carry on, carry on.
on Tuesday last week, I am the type of person that if I eat in the evening, I will be on the bed. So I told my mom that I'll be drinking either tea or gari in the morning, then eat my rice or anything that she cooked in the morning for afternoon.
Speak on, speak on, speak on.
In the afternoon.
Okay.
So when I told her, she said okay. And I carried one of my money that I had, 1,000 naira. So I carried it to go and buy gari, sugar, and granuts.
Where did you see the 1,000 naira?
Is the one that they gave me in church.
Who gave it to you in church?
Is my mom's friend.
Okay.
They give you that 1,000 naira.
Yes, in church.
Okay. Which church?
So
Okay, don't
Saint
say, don't.
Saint Kizito Catholic Church.
Okay.
Go on.
Okay, go on.
So I went to go and buy gari, sugar, and granuts. So on my way coming back, she now saw me on the way. She now said, why will I go and buy something when she's already cooking? I then told her, Mommy, you know my routine. I don't like eating in the evening. She now told me that you remember you and Benga discussed I'm not your biological mother. I said yes. So that day she now told me that she's not my biological mother. I should go and look for her. I then started begging her, but she said no. She's fed up. So that Tuesday evening I was not at home till Wednesday evening.
Where are you?
I was in our church sleeping.
Church.
Yes, because they are doing 31 days night prayer.
Okay.
So I went home that Wednesday evening to still try and go and beg her. But I did not allow her to know that I was in the compound. So around 4 o'clock in the morning, on Thursday morning, I started begging her. She said no, she doesn't want me in the house. So I left. I came back before 5 reached. So I then opened the cover of our small tank and threw it on the floor.
You told what?
The cover of a GP tank
Where?
in our house.
Okay.
So I threw it on the floor. She now noticed that something is going up upstairs. She now came to the decking where she put her tank. She saw that they
Okay, you
have
are at the
opened.
upstairs, Abi?
Yes,
Are they build the house in the upstairs? Abi, they never build the house in there.
it's not upstairs. It's
It's
like
decking.
Okay.
2 bedroom
Okay.
flat,
Okay.
but she has a security place, but turned it to a shop.
Okay.
She then put tanks on top the.
Okay. Like
So
shop.
yes, so I now threw the cover on the floor. She noticed it. She came upstairs. I was in between two tanks, two big tanks. So she didn't know I was there. She was looking for who opened the tank down there. So immediately I noticed that she has turned. I now pushed her. So she used her head to hit the ground.
From upstairs.
Yes. So I quickly went downstairs
Why did you
and
push him?
it was because she told me that she's not my biological mother and she denied me and told me to go and look for the person that is my biological mother. So that day I now carried her phone. I know her password. I now called our neighbor. He himself now came, carried me to the police station and
In the
detained
night,
me
Abi?
there. No, early morning.
Early morning.
Yes. So he
Like what
detained
Like
time?
whose time?
around 5, 6.
Okay.
So he carried me to the police station and detained me there. So from there they transferred me down to this place.
Okay,
What
now,
what as okay, you want to ask?
now, between me and you, be sincere. Who taught you that art you did?
It was Benga.
Who is
Tell me.
Benga?
He is my friend.
Okay, how does it describe to you? What does he ask you to do? Tell us.
That day, he just told me that if I can open the cover of the tank, my mom will know that something is happening upstairs. So she will come there, then I'll push her.
Okay, it is Benga
So,
that told you that you do
yes.
that.
So, two of us have agreed. That was why I pushed her.
But don't you think if you since sorry before you do that act, don't you think if you pushed her, there's nobody who is going to take care of you? Don't you ask Benga that if you do that, no one will care for you?
I thought about that.
Then
But I later reasoned that there is one of our friend that was planning with her to put me in school.
to put you
In school.
Who is
okay.
that person?
She's a family friend.
Okay.
So he was trying to put me in school when my mom and her account number had problems. So she couldn't withdraw money to put me inside school.
Okay, before this incident happened, abi?
But
Yes.
sorry, I don't get some things. You said you went to well, one secondary school, you're in GS2.
Yes.
Did you withdraw from that school?
Yes, I withdrew from that school because she said she doesn't want me to go back there. That nobody is staying with her there.
Which state is that?
Delta.
Okay.
So she wanted me to come there and start schooling there.
Where did she want you to come to? Where's the name of the place?
Odumbaku Ishaga.
Shaga?
Yes.
Ishaga?
Yes.
Okay.
So she wanted me to come there. Nobody was with her at home. So that was why she said I should not
Okay.
go back to Delta State. I'll
What?
be schooling at.
She's only him that is stay at home, abi?
Yes. When
You
I was in
don't have
Delta
father.
State. No,
Abi
no,
don't have husband.
no.
What is the nature of her job? What's she doing for a living?
She was a teacher and she retired from teaching work and she
Like, how old
later
is she?
71.
Wow. 71 years?
Yes.
So do you mean did she die on the spot or is she still
She
alive?
died on the spot. But
She died on the spot.
yes.
Then have you now seen Benga since then?
No.
You've not seen Benga
Yes.
that asked you to do that kind of act.
Yes.
Okay, you were trying to tell me that she retired from something. Continue that story.
She was a teacher, so she retired from teaching work. Then she later became Deputy Director of Lagos State of Education.
Okay.
2 months to becoming director. That was when she retired.
This is pathetic.
What do you think that what you do now is it good or what? Are you thinking that what you do is good?
No,
Hmm?
no,
Said
no.
But I don't know. I don't know, and I don't really get. Benga taught you to
Yes,
push her,
yes.
and you pushed her. You never even think of who will be taking care of you since you already knew she took you from an orphanage. Can't you just go back to that orphanage and tell them so things have been happening, or you don't know the
do you know
orphanage
the
home?
funny thing that I took to?
I know the orphanage home.
Haven't you been visiting the orphanage home?
No,
No, but you know the orphanage home.
yes.
Why shouldn't you have go to that place instead of this thing you now did now? How do you feel about this act?
Since that day, I feel bad and somehow.
You feel bad.
Yes,
What's your name, nurse?
Imacris.
Or what do you want the government to do for you now as you be? What do you want the government to do for you?
I
Speak up.
I don't know actually.
You don't know.
Yes,
Your name was
Imacris.
Ma
Imacris.
Marcus.
Yes.
Thank you.